You see that? So 3 a.m. You are still awake. You don't want to sleep. Why? Wednesday, you don't want to sleep. Tell me. Hmm? You should allow your daddy to sleep now. Hmm? 3 a.m. You are still awake. Eh? You're still awake, doing what? You're still awake, doing what? You should be sleeping. Eh? 3 a.m. You should be sleeping 3 a.m. You should be sleeping 3 a.m. 3 a.m. You are still awake. 3 a.m. You are still awake. 3 a.m. You are still awake. Do 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 daddy. Do mommy. 3 a.m. You are still awake. 3 a.m. You are still awake. 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Mwah. 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 You're a king, right? All hail the king. All the hail the king. King Josiah. 3 a.m. You are still awake. Can you imagine? My son woke up since God knows when, 3 a.m. and he's still awake. We're here playing. I have to obey him because he's the king. He's the one in charge. You're the one in charge. I got it done. I got it done. I got it done. I got it done. So, performing my daddy's as a daddy's duty. Mm. All right, let's talk to these people, yeah? All right, guys. My wonderful son here, he wakes up early hours of today, and as you can see, this is 3 a.m. and he's still awake. He's much more awake, and he's busy playing with me, and it's a wonderful time. I'm just having a nice time with my wonderful son, King Josiah. How do you feel? Do you feel good? Do you feel good staying here with daddy? Hmm? Because of you, I will not sleep. I will be here and take care of you and make sure to see the time. You yourself will sleep. All right? Where's the other phone? Okay. You know you're a king. On the door is a king. On the door is a king. On the door is a king. King, king, king. Yeah. His name is King Josiah. What's wrong with the network? Dee 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 dee, da dee da dee da dee, do do da dee, da dee da dee do do da dee, da dee da dee do. Now, I allow the mother to rest so that I will take care of my son for this little time, and hope you're not feeling heat. Hmm? Do do da dee, do da dee, do da dee. If you're feeling heat, let me on the fan for you. You know, he does not like heat at all. Eh, he does not like heat at all. Eh, he does not like heat. Mm, he does not like heat at all. Anything heat, he doesn't take heat. Eh, he does not like heat. I know you don't like heat, but at least now the weather is kind of cold, so you don't need to complain about heat, boy. Oh, he's yawning. Yeah, he's yawning. He's yawning. Look at him. He's yawning. Yeah, yawning. Oh, you soon sleep, so that I'll go and sleep too. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hi, Jim. How you doing, brother? I'm good. How about you? So the boy will soon sleep, and I will go and sleep too. Yeah, because he's yawning, and sometimes he wakes up till 4 a.m., sometimes 5 a.m., And that's the experience of, you know, that's fatherhood experience. You need to experience all these things. And right now it's about almost 4 a.m. and he's still awake. And look at his eyes. The eyes are still sharp. Guys, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share, comment, and then let's enjoy this video together. All right. And this is my son, my wonderful son. His name is King Josiah Awandodo. Um, if you are asking what is the meaning of Awandodo, is God is good. So, beautiful family, brother. I am glad I came into your channel. Thank you so much. Hi, James. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for your comment. Thank you so much for coming. We're happy to have you here. Um, Hi, James. God bless you. As you can see, sorry guys, the network is very bad. The network is very bad. The guy is very strong. You know, those stickers. He likes seeing them. Anytime he see those stickers, he just be jumping. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Bless you. Network don't disturb. 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 Yeah. So at times when he sees the the what do you call it, the sticker, he's so happy. Hmm? Yeah, even vomiting. Hmm? You are even vomiting. Oh, he's vomiting. Let me find something and clean up, okay? Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. Yeah. Oh, God. Jim. Yeah. That is fatherhood, man. Yeah, my boy. My boy. My boy. Are you happy? Are you happy? My boy, are you happy? Dee 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 dee. My boy. Let me on the fan walker. He's feeling heat, so let me just on the fan so that um, he'll be fine. All right? Can you stay here? Let me on the fan. Okay, just a minute. All right? Just lie down here. I'm coming. Let me on the fan. Just lie down. Lie down. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Yes, I'm back. I'm back, my boy. That is back. That is back. That is back. So sit quiet. I don't want you to talk. Just sit quiet, relax, and let's have a chat with our. I don't like the way you are breathing. Let me put you this side. Bless you, 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 bless you. Lord, lift me up and help me stand. Da, 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 da. Ah, ah, ah. Da, 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 da. Lord, plant my feet on higher ground. So this is the experience as a dad. Well, this is my first time of having a child, so um, I'm still learning. Yeah, I'm still in the learning process because it's not like I fathered a child before, but this is really my first time of fathering this my beautiful son, and I'm happy I have him. He's a blessing to me, and when you love your family, even if you wake up 2 a.m., it still gives you joy. It's a blessing. because, because some people are looking for this opportunity. So when you have it, it's a blessing, right? It's a blessing. It's a blessing. Dada, it's a blessing. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. Say hi. Hi. Do daddy and do mommy and do daddy and do daddy dee 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 dee. Boy, boy. Yeah, look at your sticker. I know that's what you want to look at. So look at your sticker. Can you look at your sticker? Yeah. You know those sticker I put them for you that when you grow up, then you can remove them. The stickers are for you. All right. This sticker here. When you grow up, you can remove them. And remove them. Nobody will disturb you. All right. Me, your dad, I say so. You're happy. You see those stickers? When you grow up, remove all of them. All right. Yeah. Are you happy? Oh, he's happy that I said that when he grows up, he should remove the sticker. I know you are happy. And I know that you are going to be happy. Yeah? So when you grow up, you remove the sticker, you know? Yeah, I'm the one that said it. Yes. Nobody will stop you. I'm serious. You remove the sticker and play with it. So, eh, after remove the sticker, when you grow up, you replace them. That's the deal. When you grow up, you bring a fine sticker, then you come and replace. Deal or no deal? Deal or no deal, boy? Deal or no deal? Oh, you said deal. All right. Good. Yeah. 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 Okay, the fan is too strong, so that's why I don't want to turn his face to the other side because of the fan. Da, 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 guys, please like, share, and comment. Like, share, 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 comment. Da, da, da. Yeah. Whew. La da 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 da. Are you enjoying what you are seeing? I know you like those stickers. Even if you are crying. Once even this boy is crying, once you put this sticker, once you see those stickers, he'll be happy. Sometimes I'll ask, what is so special about those stickers that makes you happy? Eh? When you grow up, you have to tell me what's so special about the sticker that when you see it, you just be jumping, 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 jumping. Why? Why? Let me see. I hope you're not catching cold. Let me see your hands. Okay, you're doing well. Hmm. Excuse me. Let me adjust the fan. Let the fan be blowing one side. Mhm. I need the fan to be blowing one side so that it won't disturb you. No, daddy. No, daddy. No, All right. Okay. Da, 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 da. Okay, let's watch. Let's watch sports, right? I think we need to watch sport. Let us watch sport. Let's watch Olympic. All right. Let's watch Olympic, boy. I know you like sports, so what are we watching? Oh, race. Look at it running. Look at it running. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Oh, South Africa. South Africa came first. Uganda second. Tunisia, Egypt. Wow. Can you see that? Oh, let's see another one. Let's see who's gonna win the race. Just watch. Watch. Let's see. Look, 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 look. Yeah. Hmm. Let's see. Who came first? This is Senegal. Ready? Senegal. Can you see? For the way she's running. And this lady from Jamaica too. Wow. Um, oh, the other lady came first. Is that Kenya? Alright. Kenya people can run. Is it Zimbabwe? Oh, let's see. Let's let's see who will win. Let's see who will win the race. I say you should watch this thing. All right, let's look for. No, wait. It's okay, it's okay, boy. I know you want to sleep. No, I know you want to sleep. Sorry, stop crying. Day. I know that if I put you now, you'll not cry again. I know. It's alright, sorry. Alright, let's stand up. Let's stand up. Let's stand up. You see? He doesn't want to sleep. He wants to sleep now. So I have to stand up so that he can sleep. Move around. Yeah. You gotta move around. Yeah. Daddy's duty. This is daddy's duty. Sleep. I will sing for you under daddy, under mommy. I have to sing for him so that he can sleep. Under daddy, under mommy, under daddy, under mommy, under daddy. You know, sometimes I sing till he just does off, then sleep. Daddy, mommy. You know, anytime he wants to sleep, sometimes he has to cry. You know, I don't know what's that with children. When they want to sleep, they must cry. Daddy, mommy, daddy, mommy, daddy, mommy, daddy, on the door, mommy. The boy's getting ready to sleep. I need to sing for him so that he'll sleep. On the door, daddy. This is his favorite song that I always sing for him. On the door, mommy. On the door, daddy. 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 On the door, daddy. On the door, mommy. Guys, this is another episode of my life with my son. On the door, daddy. You know, the mother, she tries a lot. So sometimes she needs to rest so that I can help her. You know, right now she's resting, and then it's my turn to take care of the baby. So sometimes it's always good for us to assist our wife, assist our husband, you know, to make the home smooth. Because these children, they are our responsibility. And the area we realize and will know better. The door, daddy. On the door, mommy. On 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 the door, daddy. If you look at his face, he's not even sleeping, he's just looking at me. Daddy. Let me show his face. You see his expression. Can you see, guys? And the daddy. And the mommy. He's busy enjoying daddy's singing. And the daddy. And the mommy. And the daddy. And the he's yawning now. You yawn asleep. Daddy. And the mommy. And the daddy. And the mommy. And the daddy. The mommy. And the daddy. And the mommy. And the daddy. And the mommy. And the sleep now. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Do daddy. Do mommy. Do daddy. Do mommy. Do daddy, mommy, daddy. Do daddy. Do mommy. Do daddy. Do mommy. Do daddy. Do mommy. Sorry, sorry. Sleep, sleep, sleep. It's time to sleep, my boy. You have to sleep now. Have to sleep. So tomorrow you will wake up and sorry, boy. Dee. On the door, daddy. On the door, mommy. On the door, daddy. On the door, mommy. On the door, daddy. Guys, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. And just having a time with my son, early hours of the morning with my son, and I just said let me share with you guys. It's part of my lifestyle. Sorry, you want to sleep, right? Lie down. Sorry. The daddy on the door, mommy On the door, daddy. On the door. Let me see if he's sleeping. He's about to sleep. He's about to sleep. Daddy. You want to sleep now? Sorry. Let me go and give it to your mom. Let's go. Let's go. Let me go and give it to your mom. Alright? Well, boss, I'll call them and say, yeah.
When you level up, can not gift and value.
Battery's binary charging right here. So why I don't see a battery. Battery but the charging. Who's going to steal using power bank? Yeah, I've given the boy to the mother, and then she will do the rest. Then me, I will rest. I've tried now. Have I not tried? Guys, tell me. I think I've tried. I've tried. It's so easy. Guys, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Always remember to subscribe. Okay? I'll just sit here and watch TV with you guys and then do all this. The boy is not sleeping. Oh, hold on again. Sorry, I don't even call the name correctly because it was far away from me. I was not seeing. People are watching and nobody say anything. That we're feeling uncomfortable, so Coherent Fangida. What most are born and go my very manga. But seeing go reach him up to my hand. But never began failing he would have caused you my rotating. You reach about to my I'm feeling a humble. Give me then I'm more yoga. Any more yoga, no one. I'm party young, I show my young.
Coins, 4 coins still. And now I have 12.
12 points. What would it? I'm going graceful Kualamon. I'm going graceful Kuala.
Show 1,000 coins, got how much you? 1 year is 1,000, but how is it in 660? We won't go to 1,000 coins. So I 16 eligible, 14,300.
If you have the money, you buy now.
But there's not like a million. The year will go. Now if you say the old should use to be and they are to the way. And now with this exchange, this thing, you will exchange money.
When you have a level, I don't know what you are and you will uncle Passa come. Me ma Christian can buy machine gun. Like, go a machine gun, you know. Oh. Gumaini video tini mina kwa chankla ngoga. Live inside film. I've not even updated this TV for a very long time. I'm gonna only year.
Maybe material household points. When you tell you only 10 points for 10 viewers, without only 3 minutes for what?
You see, me, I'm still here. So it's dark because I'm in my room, so I don't want to. It's still night, you see. The TV is on there. I'm watching net movies. So my baby is sleeping right now. So sleep is not coming again. So what am I gonna do? Just sit here and talk to you guys. How are you? How you doing? The light is not that clear. Maybe I should change the channel. I'll change the channel so that you can clearly see my face. Spot channel you have clean. If you are new here, guys, please do not forget to subscribe.